Hi, let's look at Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2016 Nissan Qashqai stock number 6801. It's run from the 12th 2018 to the 7th 2021. It has an MR 22 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 1-speed CVT automatic transmission. This is the MR 22 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left hand headlight, left front guard no dents, left front 17-inch factory automatic tyre, left rear 17-inch factory automatic tyre, left hand tail light, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory automatic tyre, right front 17-inch factory automatic tyre, right hand headlight, centre console lid, automatic air shifter, heat AC controls, factory 7-inch exterior, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,